Hello guys, today we'll study about hydrocele. I have written continued. Continued means we have a lecture which is already there. So the anatomical types of hydrocele and the difference between primary and secondary hydrocele have been discussed in that lecture. So in this we'll primarily deal with the surgical method to treat this. We have enumerated the names in the last lecture, but today I'll explain the Jaboulet surgery. So these are the previous year's questions, and for more you can refer to the previous lecture. Okay, you have read the definition already, so we'll primarily deal with relation to surgery. Now the indications of hydrocele being operated are a huge hydrocele causing difficulty in daily routine activity, or a symptomatic hydrocele like pain or something like that, or heaviness, or it can also be done in a medically fit patient in a job which requires it to be done, like medical fit, and due to some cosmetic reasons also. Now the surgeries which I have already enumerated in the last lecture are Jaboulet's procedure and Lot's procedure. You should remember the spelling of this procedure. That is important, and that is asked in Vivas also. So this is the hydrocele, right-sided hydrocele. You can see the enlarged scrotal sac, and this is the left testis, which is this much only. I mean, this is normal size, and this is fluid-filled tunica vaginalis. Now, the anesthesia in which this can be done in any anesthesia, either local, spinal, or even it can be done in general anesthesia if you are planning to do it. Now, the procedure is, first of all, cord block is given to decrease testicular sensations. Then skin and subcutaneous tissue is infiltrated with 2% lignocaine along the line of incision. The line of incision is 2 cm lateral to median raphe. Now, this picture is showing the infiltration of lignocaine into the cord. This sensitizes the testis or testicular sensations, and this is infiltration along the line of incision in skin and subcutaneous tissue, or there is very little subcutaneous tissue, so we can say skin infiltration only, and this is the median raphe. You can know this must be 2 cm lateral. Now this is the procedure. Incision is made 2 cm lateral to the median raphe in unilateral hydrocele, or at the median raphe in case of bilateral hydrocele, so we can have the access of both the scrotal sac. Now incision is deepened till the tunica vaginalis, which is filled with the fluid. Now the blunt dissection is carried out between tunica and the incised layers. I'll show you. Okay, so the incision is deepened layer by layer, then we reach the tunica vaginalis. This is tunica vaginalis, and this is finger dissection, blunt dissection, to break the adhesions and all, to free the sac that is to be removed from the cavity. Now the stab incision is made in the tunica vaginalis to drain the fluid. The incision is extended both upwards and the downwards. So this is the hydrocele sac which has been removed from the scrotum. You can see this, and the stab is made. This is the fluid which is coming out. This is the kidney tray where the fluid is being collected. You can see the clear fluid which is pouring out. Now after this fluid is drained, the incision is increased both upwards and the downwards. Now the sac is then everted after the incision is increased and the margins are stitched together posterior to the cord. Okay, and one finger space is left to avoid constriction of the cord structures. That is also done in case of hernia surgery. So the incision is increased. Now we are everting the sac. Okay, now the sac is everted and here you have the cord structures. So we wrap this sac posterior to the cord and will stitch it. Now this is the stitching procedure. This is the cord and this is the wrapping around the cord in opposite direction. Now this is the diagram showing 1 finger breadth space. Now the testis is pushed back into the scrotum and dartus close, which is followed by the skin. Drain may or may not be placed depending on the amount of bleeding or you can say adhesions or something. So this is dartus being closed. After this the skin has been closed and we have not put the drain because it was small hydrocele and there were not much dissection that was required. Thank you so much.